Hi, I'm going to be showing you how to work a purl bump increase. It is an increase that we use in our ancient stitch scarf, and it is a sort of nice discreet increase. We'll start by knitting a few stitches. And how the increase works is you turn your work and you see the purl bump on the stitch here, and you're going to take your needle and you're going to put it going from the top down into the purl bump, pick up a stitch, and you'll leave it right there, and then you will knit once again into the back, that same stitch. Just like that. That's what it looks like. So we'll knit a few more and do that again. So you have this stitch where the increase will occur. You go and you locate the purl bump, take your needle, go down into the purl bump, pick up a stitch, and then knit into the back of that stitch once again for a purl bump increase. Do that one more time. Locate the bump in the back, take the point of your needle, go down into the stitch, pull up a stitch, and then knit once again into the back of that. And that is a purl bump increase.